Hello students, today we are going to study English Chapter 7 Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian hockey player, one of the greatest hockey player in the history of the sport. He was known for his extraordinary goal scoring feats in addition to earning 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932, 1936. During an era where India dominated field hockey, his influence extended beyond these victories, as India won the field hockey events in 7 out of 8 Olympics from 1928 to 1964. So, on Saturday, 15th August 1936, it was the day of hockey finals during the Olympic events held in Berlin, Germany. Germany had defeated several teams to enter the final against the Indian team. They were the host of the Olympics and they were sure of their victory. Perhaps that was the reason why their ruler Hitler had himself come to watch the match. All the day before it had rained heavily. The entire field had become waterlogged. But 15 August being the last day of the games, it was not possible to postpone the match any further. The Indian team was little under pressure as they had lost to Germany in the practice match and they were not very comfortable with the wet ground. About 40,000 people had gathered in the hockey stadium to cheer Germany against India. The Maharaja of Badodara state, the Prince of Bhopal, and a few other Indians had come to support the Indian team. The match started exactly at 11 am. The German team had adopted a novel strategy of using the Indian technique of short distance passes against the Indian team itself. Strategy means a plan or a trick. They had resorted to a very aggressive play. Here, aggressive means likely to attack. The Indian team was offering an equally strong resistance. Resistance means the ability of not to be affected. No team could make a goal during the first half hour. During the 32nd minute, Roop Singh scored the first goal, hitting the ball towards the goalpost from the different angle. In the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. The entire team played as one and made 3 more goals against Germany. 2 of them were made by the captain of Indian team, Dhyan Chand. However, the German players were also trying their level best to win. They too succeeded in making 1 goal. Now only a few minutes were left. Dhyan Chand had resolved to win the match at any cost without allowing Germany to make any more goals. His spike shoes were making it difficult for him to run fast on the wet ground. Spike shoes are generally used by athletics. He removed the shoes and the socks and began to run barefoot. Using his amazing skills of dribbling and his near magical game, he began to send one pass after another to the player in the D, that is, in the defenders or the opponent's area from where they could make goals. Dribbling means to take ball forward with slight touches. They too did not let the pass go waste. The Indian team scored 3 more goals. Dhyan Chand could have easily made the goal himself from his own position, but he never played a selfish game. Skillfully, he took the ball away from the German defenders and made it possible for the players in the D to score goals. The German strategy had proved fruitless. A defeat stared them in the face. Some of the frustrated German players then resorted to a rough game. Frustrated is a feeling of distress. The German goalkeeper pounced on Dhyan Chand and hurt him, but Dhyan Chand was a true soldier. After a little first aid, he immediately returned to the field and held the spectators spellbound with his game. Spellbound means to hold complete attention of someone. At last, he scored the last goal of the match. Just as the game drew to a close, the Indian team had won third time in a row. It was a hat-trick. India were the third-time winners of the Olympic gold medal. Although Hitler left the stadium before the match was over, he was impressed by Dhyan Chand's game. It is said that the German dictator had offered Dhyan Chand a higher salary and rank in the German army if he agreed to play on the behalf of Germany. But Dhyan Chand turned down the offer. After the celebrated victory in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyan Chand. You may be aware that hockey is a national sport. Major Dhyan Chand's birthday, August 29, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. The famous National Stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero Dhyan Chand. Thank you, students. I hope you all have understood this lesson.